Hello and welcome back to another lesson of our terminal report system developing. So in this lesson we are going to look at how best we can complete our cumulative record for our TR1, that's term 1 report. So let's see. In our previous lesson we were able to link our Excel to the Microsoft Word. So let's see how best we can complete the gender part and then the total attendance and that of what the class teachers and then the head teachers remarks. So without wasting much time, let's move on to where our TR1 is. So this is where we got to. So let's see. Let me delete this one because I want to show you how it was done. So I'll delete everything, then do it again. Okay, so let's see. So you come to this side. So after the sub 9 average 3, when you come to this side, you type of gender. Then from gender, you move on to class teachers remarks. So that's CTR. Class teachers remarks. Then you go to the next one, that's head teachers remarks, ATR for head teachers remarks. And then the next one will be what, term. Then from the term you move on to what, attendance. From attendance we have for total attendance. Total attendance. Okay, so let's see how best we can solve this. So gender, we have to refer to our student information list. So you press what is equal to, then go to where your student information list is, and then you locate where gender is. Okay, it's here. Then you hit what, enter. So after selecting it, and then you hit what, enter, then you double click to autofill. Okay, so when we are done with that one, you come to the next one, class teachers remarks. So with that one, let me type something there, then later on we use what, VLOOKUP for the rest. So let's see. So I'll type what, average performance. Average performance. Then for the head teachers remarks, I'll type what, average performance, more room for improvement. So with that one, to use of VLOOKUP, so I'm just typing it and then transfer it to the Microsoft Word to see how it will work. So average performance. More room for improvement. Okay, so I'll just type this, then the rest we'll use what, VLOOKUP. So let me extend it. Then you come to this side to you extend it. Okay, so we'll go to where, term. So the term to, let's see, we can also refer the term. Okay, I'll just type it. So we are doing with what, term 1. So I just type what, 1, and then I will do what, autofill, because we are working on what, term 1 report. Then attendance. The attendance to, I will make reference to the student information list. So I'll type what is equal to, then I'll go to student information list because we have the attendance there. Personality attendance. Okay, so I'll hit on this one. Okay, then I'll double click to autofill. Then for total attendance, I'll just type anything there, because with the attendance and total attendance, we will make reference to the school register. So that one we don't use any formula. So I'll type, let's say 70. Okay. So when you are done with it, you can autofill, because the total must be the same for all the students. So let me autofill. So when you're done, you save and then you close it. You have to close before you go and do what? Open your Microsoft Word. So I have saved it. Then let me close it. If you don't close it, it will not work. So you have to close it before. Okay. Then let me go and open my Microsoft Word. So it will open shortly. Okay, so when it opens, look at what happens. Opening this document will run the formula SQL command. Okay, select from TR1. So we are selecting from what? TR1. Then you click what? Yes. Okay. So this is our terminal what? Report. So we are done with the name and the other thing. Left with gender, and then we have the attendance and that of for total attendance. So I'll come to where the gender is. I'll click on it. Before then, you have to go to a mailing. So I'll go to mailing. Then let's see, insert merge field. Then I'll go to where gender. Let me see. Gender. Okay, gender is here. Okay, after that I'll go to where attendance. So then you go to insert merge field. Then you locate where your attendance is. Attendance. Okay, we have attendance here. Then I'll click on it. Then this side will be your total attendance, because we have attendance and then out of. So this side will be your total attendance. So I'll go to merge field. Then I'll locate where my total attendance is. See how beauty SL is, how powerful. Okay, so when we are done with that one, the left with what? The class teachers and then head teachers what remarks. So I'll go to class teachers remarks. Then I'll go to insert merge field. Then I'll go to class teachers what remarks. Okay, it's here, class teachers remark. Then I'll go here and select what? Head teachers what remarks. Insert. Okay. Think we left with us term. Where is the term? Name, admission. Okay, let me go back to this place and see. This place to do the same. Gender. Go to insert. Then you locate where the gender is. You have gender. Insert. Then select close. For the year, you type it. So let's see. where's my term? I didn't bring the term, so I have to do that one. Okay, so when you are done with it, you go to this side, you go to preview, you see what will happen. Okay, so this is our hot terminal report. So you can see the name is there, attendance we have for 45 out of 470, then admission number is there, gender we have female, in that order. So look at this side, you will see we have for decimals 62.99999. so we have to change all this into 2 decimal places. So that will be our next thing that we will do look at. So look at this side too, we have to change all into 2 decimal places. So that will be our next task. So let's see, we have the first student here. If you want to go to the next student, you click on this, the second person's name will come. We have it there, that's what, Anita Dakwa. Then you click on this side too, the third student names will come. That's Otin Adrian. Okay, so that's how Excel work. Okay, when you click on preview again, you come back to where you are previously. Okay, so I'll have to save it.